Welcome back to my channel. Tiff Benson is here. I'm back from Barbados. I had an awesome time. I got sunburnt, as you can kind of see. But anyway, I have a haul video for you of new fragrances that I have and an unboxing of new things that I got while I was away on vacation. So if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. So something new that I recently got and I have been loving is this bad boy. It's by Kilian. Kilian has the best packaging in the business. Woman in Gold. She's beautiful. This is something that's probably more suited for the fall or the winter, but I have to tell you, I went to Barbados, and I missed this, and I wish that I had brought it with me. It smells so good. It's like a vanilla, ambery, powdery, musky scent. I really, really like it a lot, surprisingly. Other scent that I've been trying is by Melanie Martinez, and it's called Crybaby. Look at the bottle. How freaking cute is that? Strawberry and lipstick powdery scent. It's very reminiscent of like it's like a hug, like a mother's hug. It's the best way I can describe it. Anyway, it has strawberry in here. I forgot what other notes, but you could also see the juice on the bottle. I just think it's so cute. So cute. It's fun to wear and I like this one a lot. Next fragrance that so many planes flying over the head today. Yeah. Next fragrance that I've been trying, and this is also from the Fragrance Foundation, it's from a brand called Another. And the bottle's very, very cute. I do like the packaging a lot. This one is called FR18. Well, France 18, I believe. It's citrusy, it's bright, it's actually perfect for the summer, spring. I haven't really worn this too much, although I do really like the vibe of it. It's for this time of year, so I'll probably be giving it more of a chance. And another acquisition is this bad boy right here, Don't Tell Jasmine, by Willem Perfumerie. Love the packaging, very nice and bright. Ooh, should I spray this? I haven't sprayed any of these. It is so jasmine heavy. If you're a jasmine lover, you would like this. It's very clean, musky, certainly floral. I'm gonna have to test this and let you know what I think of it, you guys. Okay, so now we have two fragrance packages, which I thought that was a bug. I'm terrified of bugs. Okay, that was not a bug. Don't know what's in here, but we can open it up. Okay, I'm excited now. Okay. Everyone calm down. So I received a package from Houbigant, which I've been really expecting, you know, waiting for it. They sent me, hold on, let me take everything out. So they sent me Iris de Champ by Houbigant, which is a beautiful light iris scent. Actually, E put me on to this one. And then they also sent me it's a sampler kit. Perfect, because I really do need to get a little bit more familiar with the House of Houbigant. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm too excited. Up next, House of Dua. I've made a mess. Always make a mess when you're opening boxes. It's kind of like, I don't know. I hate messes, so you know what I mean? It's like, but I do love receiving things. Your girl loves to receive. So I don't know what's new from the House of Duo, so I'm pretty excited to open this up because I do like their fragrances and I do wear their fragrances. Actually, while I was on vacation, there was a fragrance that I wish I would have brought with me to Barbados to wear. Remorse, perfume remorse when you leave your favorite perfume at home. Supernova. Okay. Okay, Dua. Oh God, this one is so fresh. I'm not sure exactly which one it's supposed to smell like, but it smells super, super fresh, hyper fresh. Almost smells like a sport fragrance. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it's Elysium because your girl has been feeling Elysium like crazy. This smells very similar. Let me see what the next one is. Costa Rindo. And this one is an inspired expression too. It smells magnificent, but I don't know what this one is inspired by. So let's check real quick. Costa Rindo is an expired expression. It's supposed to smell like Memo Paris's Tamarindo. So Supernova is an inspired expression of Roja's Elysium. Wow. Okay, you guys. So for those of you who love your inspired expressions, these are two new ones to try out. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please just let me know down in the comment box and give the video a thumbs up so I know I'm doing a good job. Love you so much, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.